Hi. Hi to everyone. I'm sorry I'm late. Okay, I'm doing can we just we're just gonna turn off. Okay. I'm doing live. Hold on guys. Hello? Okay now. Okay. I'm doing live simultaneously on FB and whatnot. I will gonna do flash sales of different items. Okay, let me just share. Okay, let me just share first on my groups. Okay. 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 Let's start now. First, I just want to tell everyone that my luxury closet is all pre-loved items but in a very good condition. We're located in Los Angeles, California. Okay, first item that we're going to show. Okay. Shop. Okay. First item. Okay. We're going to show you right now is Balenciaga Bistro. Balenciaga Bistro basket tote bag in white leather. This is Balenciaga. It is you can do sling bag. You can do as a sling bag and a handbag. Okay, sling bag and a handbag. So this one is very clean inside. Very clean inside. There is no transfer colors. Very shiny. Authenticity here. The authenticity is here. And this is regular price is $800. Regular is $800. But right now for our flash sale, let's start. For flash sale it's now $719 for Balenciaga white basket. Balenciaga white basket for $719. So this is very clean, rank A, authentic, with all the description is here. Okay, it is now okay. It's now back to regular price, $799. Okay, next item. So if you want an item, just to get, it's better to do on the flash sale because but it's only on 30 seconds. If you want to get it right away, just let us know. Okay. And next item. Okay, hold on. Next item. Okay, it is a Bottega clutch bag. Bottega clutch bag. I have to find the Bottega. Okay, here. Green Bottega clutch bag. It's clean. This is Bottega made in Italy. Bottega made in Italy. It's very clean. There is one pocket here, one pocket. for Bottega. And there's another pocket here. Another pocket. It's clean. Corners are nice. Corners are nice on this one. This is Bottega green. This is a clutch bag. And this regular price is $599. $599. And we're going to do the flash sale for $539.10. $539.10. Flash sales start now. Bottega green clutch bag. Bottega green clutch bag is now $539. It's now $539. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. $539 for Bottega. Now it's back again to $599. Okay, next item. Another Bottega. Another Bottega. Bottega blue. This is handbag. Bottega blue handbag. For this one, there is a pocket outside, one pocket outside. It's clean inside, It's clean inside for this Bottega. And this is $649. I'm looking Bottega light blue. I'm looking at this one. Okay. No, I think I'm showing you the different one. Do I have another blue? Hold on. Let me see. No. Hold on, I have two Bottega. Oh, here. Okay. The one here is the light blue. This is Bottega Veneta light blue Boston bag. This is Bottega Veneta light blue. It is a tote bag with a key here. Let me show you the corners. The corners of this one. Dust bag is included. Dust bag is included. And this is Bottega Intrecciato Boston blue bag. And this is $819. This is $819. Inside, there is no, I'm just checking, make sure there is no scratches. There's no scratches on this one. There is no scratches. And with the dust bag is included. This is $819. This is in $819. This is made in Italy. And our flash sale for our Bottega is $737.10. It's $737 for this Bottega Boston bag. $737 for Bottega Boston. Okay, 14, 13, 12, 10. So, okay guys, Bottega Bottega for this one, 210. Okay? For the Bottega. Okay. Next item. Okay, this is the one I'm showing earlier. This is the one. This is Bottega Napa leather baguette bag. This is a Bottega baguette bag. Okay? This is a Bottega baguette bag. Bottega baguette bag. It is a shoulder bag. Bottega baguette bag, guys. Bottega baguette bag. Okay. See the corners. It is a zipper bag. Zipper bag for this one. Okay. Inside is clean. Inside is clean. And the regular price is $649. Or regular price is, sorry, so regular price is $699. Regular price is $699 for this one. For our flash sale is now $629. This one is now $629. $629 for this one. $629 for this one. $649 for our Bottega baguette. $629 for our Bottega baguette. $629 for our Bottega baguette. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, guys, let me see. Let me see. Next item. Okay, another Bottega. Let me find out where is it. Okay. Okay, Bottega. This is casual wear. This is dark blue. Dark blue. Oh, no, it's black. Sorry, it's black. It's black because of the light. So this is Bottega black. This is a crossbody bag. Crossbody sling bag. Casual wear. And let's see for this one. You can see at the corner, there is no transfer color. There is no transfer color. There is no rubs. No rubs for this one. No rubs. And this is $579. This is $579. This is Nodini leather. This is Nodini leather crossbody bag. This is black. Black in color. Bottega. And our flash sale for this one is $521. $521 for this Bottega crossbody bag. $521 for this Bottega crossbody bag. $521. So this is $521 black casual wear. You can on the go bag. This is an on the go bag. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, our next item. Another Bottega. These items that I'm showing to you, if you will gonna follow me on Whatnot, on FB, I have also Instagram, TikTok, and please subscribe on YouTube. all the Bottega items that I've shown, I already posted that I think last week. I posted put a video of all the Bottega bags that I'm showing to you, and also you can check my website at myluxurycloset.org. I have on my website, I have lots of mode of payments. I have Shopify, I have Shopify payment, which is you can choose all major credit cards. I have installment from Shopify, Affirm, and Afterpay is no interest, forgives no interest for 2 months. Then if you have a PayPal you can do up to 6 months no interest. So check my website, myluxurycloset.org. Follow the logo. Make sure that you're on the right website. You can see my logo. Okay, now we're on a Bottega belt bag. Okay. This is a very nice, I love red bags. So this is, you can do this one as a body bag or a belt bag. So this is nice for travel. You can see the red is so nice. It's not flashy. The color is not flashy. And the strap is adjustable. The strap is adjustable for this one. The strap is adjustable. The strap is adjustable for this one. And you can see the zipper is black in color. Let's see inside. It's clean. You can see it's clean. It's clean inside. It is authentic. This is our old pre-loved, but it excellent condition. Excellent condition for this one. Bottega Veneta, made in Italy. This is made in Italy. And we have here one zipper out. You have one zipper here. It's also clean for this one. So, Bottega Veneta, belt bag, body bag. Bottega Veneta belt bag or body bag. Bottega Veneta belt bag or body bag. No rubs. No rubs for this one. There is no rubs, and regular price is $899. Regular price is $899. And there is no flash sale for this one because this is very, very good condition, and the $899 is already the max that I can give. But if you're interested on this one, you can message me and let's see if we're going to agree on the price. I cannot do the flash sale on this one because this is a very nice item, and the price that I give is already the max. Okay? Okay, so any interested, message me. Any low start, the price is $899. I don't do auction because I told you all my items are 100% authentic. So I cannot auction this one. So if you are interested on this bag, email me and let's negotiate on the price. I can negotiate on the price for this one. I'm open for negotiation. But message me for these items. Okay? So this is a nice one. Bottega Veneta belt bag or body bag in a very excellent condition. Okay. So some of the items here are really, really, I cannot do on flash sale, or I don't do auction. Okay, so just letting you know, I don't do auction on Whatnot I cannot start what's the lowest price because the items, all my items are all Prila, but it is 100% authentic. So I guarantee you that all my bags, all my items here, not only the bags, watches, everything, this is 100% Prila, but 100% authentic and in a very good condition. Just message me if you want something, we can negotiate. Okay, next item. I have here, it's a Burberry grain leather travel bag. Oh, it's at the end. Let's skip that one. It's at the, it's at the back. Let me, what color is this one? It's the blue one. Let's see. Yeah, it's the black Burberry. Anybody wants to travel? Yeah. Let me see if this is the one. Okay. Travel bag, Burberry travel bag. For this one, anybody wants to travel, you have a Burberry travel bag. Burberry travel bag for this one. Okay, I have here the Burberry travel bag. It's nice, it's clean. It's nice and it's clean. Okay, it's clean. You can see the Burberry color here. Inside, it's all Burberry. And this is the traveling bag. Burberry is only $649. Regular price is $649. Regular price for Burberry is $649. And our flash sale. Okay, for our flash sale. No, yeah. Let's wait, guys. Okay, for Burberry flash sale. Is $584. $584 for this Burberry travel tote bag. Okay, $584 for this Burberry tote bag. $584 for this Burberry tote bag. $534. It's now 3, 2, 1. Okay, next item. Okay, we have here another tote bag. This tote bag, I really like this one. This is different. Different from, you know, it's not a traditional, no, like an traditional Burberry design. Okay, this is in canvas. I think this is in canvas. This is in canvas portrait tote bag, Burberry monogram stripe E canvas tote bag. This is Burberry and this is London, England. Okay, this is from London, England for this Burberry. Okay. And this one. Okay. You can see inside of the Burberry, you can see the label. It's intact here. The label, it's clean for this one. The Burberry is clean. Burberry, and you have another pocket here. Pocket for this one, pocket, and there's a zipper. And there is a zipper here. It's really nice. This one is really nice. You have the here. What else here? The label for the Burberry and the authenticity. You can see it inside. I don't know if you can see that one. The label is intact. The label is intact for this one. This is Burberry tote bag. Burberry tote bag for this one. And this is $999. $999 for this Burberry. $999. And let's see how much for our flash sale. Flash sale for this one. It's now $899. $899 for this Burberry tote bag. 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 $899. This is an excellent condition. This is in rank A. This is in rank A for this one. Okay. Next item. Let me see if I'm looking at the same bag. Is this the one? No. Okay, I'm looking for the other Burberry, guys. Hold on. Okay, we're going to go back on that one. I cannot find it. I cannot find the our Burberry handbag. Oh, here. Okay. Another crossbody bag. Okay. Crossbody bag. This is Burberry. Crossbody bag for this one. This is Burberry Novacek. It is a canvas denim. Canvas denim for this one. Canvas denim. And black in color. This is, actually this one is unisex. This is unisex. Unisex for this one. It's very clean. It is a canvas denim, but you can see it's very clean. It's still bright. It's not faded. It's bright. It's clean. Okay. You have one pocket here. One pocket for this one. And there's a, it's cute because there's a pocket here and there's another pocket here. It's clean. The denim. There's a multi-pockets for this one. And there's also a pocket on the side. Pocket also on the back. This is unisex. This is very nice. Nice on this one. Okay, I need to flex everything because so that you know you can see all the corners and all the sides. Okay. And you see them inside. It's clean. The denim is clean. The denim is clean. And there's another pocket inside. And this is the best thing. You know, the label. The label is intact. The label of the Burberry is intact. The label of the Burberry is intact. And this unisex bag is only for $549. This is, oh, the strap is adjustable. The strap is adjustable. And this is only for 549 for this one. 549 for this one. And let's see for our flash sale. It's now 494. It's now 494 for this Burberry unisex bag. Burberry unisex bag. It's now 494 for this Burberry unisex bag. 494, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. You know, I'm looking on both cameras, okay, guys, just be patient with me. So I'm doing live simultaneously with Whatnot and Facebook. Okay, Whatnot and Facebook. So I'm looking with two cameras right now. Okay. Next item. Okay, Chanel. I think my Chanel is here. Okay. Let me see if I'm looking at the, okay. You know, the deal with this one, I know it is a Chanel. It's very sparkling, okay? So this is good for the evening. But the good thing with this one is the strap. This is the one that you really focus on this bag. Because the bag you can use as a shoulder bag, sling bag, or you can use this one as a clutch. But you cannot find the strap of the Chanel like this. Okay? This is a unique strap of the Chanel. And this is detachable. This is detachable. If you can see this one, the Chanel strap on this one is detachable. LV crossbody. Yeah, I have an LV crossbody bag. Okay? I have a LV crossbody bag. I have also, if you can see it, oh, you cannot see it there. Okay. I'm gonna show it to you, the LV crossbody. Okay, look at the strap of the Chanel. This is the one that they really looking. Okay, so this one is Chanel Beauty Chain Pouch. This is the Chanel. This is a sparkling. This is good for the evening. But look at the strap of the Chanel. It's very unique. You know, there's a Chanel 5. I think all the perfume on this one. Old Pearl. Okay, and this, it's a good combination. It is gold and black. So this is detachable, the strap, and you can put it on any Chanel bags of yours. Or any bag. This is a fancy strap. And this is only for 549. But let me show you inside. Okay. Let me show you. This is an evening bag. This is an evening bag. Okay. Chanel, it's clean. And the holo is here. And the serial number is attached. The serial number is attached on the bag. And this is only for 549. 549 for this bag. 549 for this bag. 549 for this bag. And our flash sale for this one is now, it's now 494. It's now 494 for this Chanel evening bag. Chanel evening bag, it's very light. It's 494. 494 for this bag. 494 for this bag now. Okay, 494, 3, 2, 1. Okay. But, okay. Let me look the messages, okay? Let me look at the messages. Okay. Let me just put this one. Somebody's asking about LV crossbody bag. I have here. Okay. Let me show you this one. Can you look for this one? Look. Okay, let me look, open this one so that I can do how much is the flash sale for this LV. Somebody's asking for the LV sling bag, crossbody bag. Let me just open it so that you can I can do flash sale. Or let me get a calculator. Then let's go. We're going to do the timer. Okay. Oh, I saw something too. Okay, I think this one. You saw. Okay. Okay. Go down. This one. Okay. This is still new in LV. Okay. This is still new. It is a sling bag, but it's a multi-purpose for this one. So you can do as a clutch because all the strap are detachable. You can do as a clutch bag for this one. You can do as a pochette. And this one is also detachable. You can do as a pochette for this one. And you can do as a sling bag. As a sling bag for this. This is latest, okay? This is not too old edition in LV. And all the strap, this is a multi-purpose for this one. All the strap are detachable, so you can do as a pochette, you can do as a sling bag. The sling bag is the leather strap is adjustable, and the hardware are gold. And you have one pocket here. It's clean, it's sweat inside. It's in excellent rank A condition. This is rank A condition. There is no tarnish. And this is lambskin. This is lambskin. The leather is lambskin for this one. Lambskin. And you can see it's clean inside. There is no color transfer. This is LV, Paris, made in France. This is lambskin. You have a dust bag is included. This is 2,199. This is 2,199. And let's see for our flash sale. It's now 1,979. This is now 1,979 for this Chanel crossbody pochette. And this is, how much is it now? 1,979. And this is lambskin. This is lambskin, troca pochette, black in color, lambskin. Okay. Guys, this is really nice. This is multi-pochette. Okay. So as a clutch bag, as a pochette, and a crossbody bag. And the leather is lambskin. So if you're interested, message me. Message me for this one. This is really excellent condition. Okay. I have another crossbody bag. Okay, let me just look on our system so that I can do the flash sale for all the items I'm showing to you. Okay, Christine, are you back? Okay, next item. Okay, this one. This is the Trocadero shoulder bag. This is an LV Trocadero. Actually, I have two items for this one. The other one already been sold out already, and this is the only one left. So this is Trocadero. This is Trocadero bag, and leather inside. Inside for this one, the Trocadero. It's leather, and one zipper for this one. Okay, I'm checking. There is sign of use. There is some watermarks. There's some watermarks on the strap. The strap is adjustable. There's some watermarks on the strap on this one. There is some minimal rubs here. There's some minimal rubs on this side. Okay, but this is still in good condition. This is LV. This is an LV bag made in Paris. This is an LV bag made in Paris. Okay, and I will gonna provide dust bag for this one. So I will gonna provide, this is a sling bag, a crossbody bag, and the strap is adjustable. Let me adjust. Okay, we're going to do our flash sale for this one. So the regular price is $699. Regular price is $699 for this bag. For the sling bag, it's $699. And our flash sale is now $629. $629 for Trocadero LV. $629 for Trocadero LV. $629 for Trocadero LV. $629. So $629 for this one. It's only 30 seconds flash sale, and it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and okay, another one. Okay, they want another LV crossbody bag and sling bag. Okay, this one. Let me check on my flash sale how much this one will gonna be. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, now we find it. This one is still expensive in LV shop. Okay, there's only two straps for this one. One green and one pink. I have the green strap. It's like a guitar strap. It's still in a very good condition. You can see the hardware. It's a gold hardware. And this is multi-pochette. Multi-pochette because 1, 2, 3. And these are all detachable. So you can use this one individually. You can use this one individually. You can use as a crossbody bag. The crossbody bag is adjustable. And you can use this one as a pochette. As a pochette for this one. And this one for coin purse. Coin purse for this one. This one is still very expensive. Okay, so let's see. clean for this one. Clean. Clean. And clean for this one. Clean. And this is LV made in France. This is LV made in France. Okay, regular price for this one. This is in a very good condition for this item. Okay, very multi-purpose for this one. Okay, so regular price is $2,099. Regular price is $2,099 for our flash sale. Hold on. It's now $1,899. 1,000, sorry guys, it's $1,889. 1,899. 1,889. I'm so confused with the numbers. It's 1,889. 1,889 for this multi-pochette. Multi-pochette, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, if you're interested, visit my website. Visit my website. You have lots of mode of payments. You have lots of mode of payment. You can pay for this for 6 months without interest using PayPal, or you can use Affirm and Afterpay, 2 months no interest on your credit card. So check also my website, and I have more items for the LV. I have lots of deals there. I have lots of sales. You can message me on all social media. I'm in Facebook, Whatnot, Instagram, TikTok, and so please subscribe and follow me in YouTube. So please check my website. I'm only showing all the items in social media, but you can check my website if you are interested in any items. Okay, so this is LV sling bag. Okay, next item. Okay, the bum bag. Okay, I have the bum bag here, the LV bum bag. LV bum bag, this is unisex. This is unisex. The LV bum bag is unisex. It's in a very good condition. There is no rubs. There is no rubs for this one. There's a pocket here. Pocket. Okay, let me go here so that both cameras see me. Okay. Then I have a dust bag. On the LV bags that I'm showing, it's a free dust bag. I have lots of LV dust bag. Okay, so this is LV Paris made in France. LV Paris made in France for this bum bag. Okay, for this bum bag. Okay, for this bum bag. Okay, you can see here the design of the LV. It shows on the strap the LV, and this is adjustable, so you can use this one as a belt bag or as a sling bag. Okay, as a belt bag or a sling bag for this one. And regular price for this one is $1,049. $1,049 for this LV bum bag. And now for our flash sale. Hold on, guys. Wait for the flash sale. It's only 30 seconds. So if you're interested, let us know. It's now $944. It's now $944 for this LV bum bag. $944 for this LV bum bag. $944 for this LV bum bag. Sorry, I really need to see it. $944 for this LV bum bag. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see. Next item. Which one? Okay. Put it. Okay, let's go. Because we're already on the LV, let's show this one. Okay. Because I can see it here. Okay. I have the LV. This is LV. What's the name? Bactinol's. This is LV Bactinol's shoulder bag or tote bag. LV Bactinol's. This is a good size. This is a medium size. So you can wear this as a casual for this LV bag. Okay, this LV bag is, let's see here. Here, I'll show you. This is LV made in France. It's clean inside. It's clean. It's clean for this one. It's nice. This is for, you know, for casual and everyday use. But I have some minimal rubs here. There's some minimal rubs in this bag. At this corner. There's some minimal rubs. Okay? But it's still in a good condition. It's still, oh, there's still rubs here. But it's still in a good condition. The leather is still soft. It's nice, the leather. There's no scratches on the leather. It's just on the corners. There is some minimal rubs on the corners, okay? And this is for $899. This is for $899 for this one, $899. And for our flash sale, is now, let me see, I cannot see. Hold on. You put 94% off. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, guys. There is some technical issues here. Okay. Okay, sorry. There is some technical. For the price, is this like a giveaway price? I need to. Okay, I saw it already. Okay, so the regular price is $899. Okay, but $899 for this one. And okay. So if it is $899, it's now $809. It's now $809 for this LV bag. It's now $809 for this LV bag. $809 for this LV bag. $809 for this LV tote bag. $809 for this LV tote bag. Just message me for this one. $809 for this LV bag. Okay, next item. I want to show you this one. Okay, let's do you know, so that it's not back and forth. Okay, so this one, the Chanel. I have 3 kinds of Chanel. Let me see the picture for that one. Okay, I have a Chanel, this one. This is a caviar. This is a caviar Chanel. Let me see if this is the one. The packet. Okay. This is a caviar Chanel tote bag. This is a caviar Chanel tote bag. Caviar Chanel tote bag. This is a kilted front pocket bag. It is kilted style, but it is a caviar. You know, when it comes to Chanel, the best leather kind is caviar, because you know it's not easily scratched. It's not easily scratched, and our hardware is gold. Hardware, there's no tarnish. Hardware is gold, and there is one pocket here. One pocket. It's clean. It's clean for this one. There is one pocket and another pocket here. Das bag is included. Das bag is included for this one. Okay, this is rank A. Rank A for this one. And the hologram is inside. The hologram is inside. The serial number is here. Okay, it's still inside. It's still inside the serial number. Okay, there is no card for this. There is no card. But this is caviar. This is caviar. And this is 2,500. This is 2,500 for this Chanel caviar. This is 2,500 for this Chanel caviar. And for our flash sale, let me see if I did a flash sale on this one. Okay. Flash sale is 2,250. Guys, this is $250 off. 2,250 for the Chanel tote bag caviar. This is Chanel tote bag caviar. And this is 2,250, 2,250, 2,250 for this one. So if you're interested, message me. Check my website also. You can check my website. I have different kinds of mode of payment. I have different kinds of mode of payment. You can do installment for this one without interest. Okay, check my, or you can message me. Check my website for this one. Okay, I have 3 kinds of Chanel, like this one tote bag, different style. Both are all of them are all caviar. All of them are all caviar. Okay. Then I have here, okay, this is the vintage one. Okay. You know, vintage is expensive. This is vintage Chanel. You know, the value of the Chanel doesn't go down. It is keep on increasing. This is a vintage Chanel. And this is lambskin. This is lambskin medium. Okay, medium size. Hardware is gold. Hardware is gold for this one. You can see this is vintage. Okay, the CC is here on the leather and you can, there's a pen. There's a pen that you can put here. And I have a dust bag. I have an extra wallet for this one, for this Chanel. And I have the authenticity card. And the hologram is intact. Authenticity card and the hologram is intact for this one. And you can see the leather. Red leather. The red leather inside. This is Chanel lambskin. Vintage. With wallet included. And this is made in France. This is made in France. Then this is 3,999. This is 3,999. This is for evening, when you party, weddings, for this vintage Chanel. Vintage Chanel for 3,999. And Let's see if I did a flash sale on this one. Oh, okay. The flash sale now is 3,599. 3,599 for this Chanel vintage. 3,599 for this Chanel vintage. 3,599. 3,599 for this Chanel vintage. 3,599, and it's 3,599, 3,599 for this Chanel vintage. Okay. Okay, if anyone's interested, you can message me for this one. Okay, for the Chanel vintage. The value of this one go high. Okay, I want to show them the Prada. Okay, okay, let's go here. Okay, I have another one. This is some unique style of the Chanel. Unique style of the Chanel. You cannot see this style everywhere, okay? Very limited, okay? This Chanel is, okay, this Chanel, the Chanel is a bowling bag in red quilted lambskin. It's in lambskin leather for this one. Okay, this is dual, okay? I'll show it to you guys. So you have another zipper here. This is lambskin for this one. Then you have another pocket here and red leather inside. It is red leather inside. You know, for this Chanel, grab the opportunity that I'm doing flash sale for the Chanel items because the discount is so high. Okay, the discount is so big for this Chanel. And you have the entropy for this one. You have the entropy. You have also the authenticity that we want to make sure that this is authentic Chanel because this is very expensive. Okay, it is leather inside. It's leather inside. I can see the serial number, the hologram. I can see the hologram. The hologram is patent. It's there. This one is made in Italy. This one is made in Italy. This is Chanel lambskin. You have one packet here. And let's see how much is the flash sale. Just grab the discount for the Chanel items. Okay, you can do this one as a handbag. You can do this one as a handbag or a shoulder bag. This is very expensive items, very nice items. Okay, and this is 4,350 for regular price. This is 4,350 regular price. And let's see how much is for the flash sale. Okay, now it's 3,915. It's now 3,915 for this Chanel. 3,915 for this Chanel bag, bowling bag. 3,915 for this Chanel bowling bag. And 3,915, 3,915, make a statement, you know, wearing this one. Okay, this is very nice item. Okay, now we're back, okay, to the regular price. So if you're interested, please message me for this one. This is a very nice item. This is lambskin. Okay, let's see next item. Next item. Yeah, that's okay. I have another Chanel here. Chanel bag, Chanel in orange. This is a very nice one. Chanel. It's clean. It's nice. It's very saucy. If you wear this one, okay. There is a minimal rubs on the corner. There is a minimal rubs on the corner. And this is tote bag. This is tote bag. This is tote bag. It's orange also inside. It is also orange inside. It's also orange inside. And I have the serial number here. I have the serial number for that one, for the tote bag. And let's see. I have the serial number and I have the authenticity card. I have the authenticity card of this Chanel. Okay. Our regular price is $1,699. $1,699 our regular price for this Chanel. And let's see for the flash sale. So now it's $1,529. It's now $1,529. $1,529 for this Chanel. $1,529 for this Chanel. $1,529 for this orange Chanel. $1,529. It is a handbag. It is a handbag. $1,529. $1,529. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next item. Okay. Okay. Okay, I have another bag that I really like. This is Chanel Vanity Case Crossbody Bag. This is Chanel Vanity. And this is like the color, it's black and what do you call this kind of pink? Blush pink. This is like a blush pink in color, and this is Chanel Vanity Bag. And this is caviar. This is caviar. Told you the caviar leather is a very good one. It's a high quality when it comes to, no, caviar is a leather. Caviar is a leather. So it is a caviar leather. And you know, when it comes to Chanel, the number one that is really good quality is the caviar. Okay. And this is black and blush in color. And the hardwares are gold. The hardwares are gold. And you can see there's a mirror here. And it's a leather burgundy inside. It's a leather burgundy inside. This is Chanel made in Italy. Made in Italy. And I have the authenticity card for this one. Authenticity card for this one. And I have the hologram. Hologram for this Chanel. The hologram is for the Chanel is here. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 8 card packet inside. You have 8 card packet inside. 8 card packet for this Chanel bag. And let me see. Let me just put something inside. Okay. So you can do this one as a handbag and a shoulder bag. A handbag for the Chanel Vanity Caviar. And this is $4,999. This is $4,999. And wait for the flash sale. Okay, it's now $4,249. This is now $4,249. $4,249. $4,249 for this caviar Chanel. $4,249 for this caviar Chanel. $4,249 for this caviar Chanel. $4,249 for this one. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Message me, guys. This is this is not a common design. Okay, not a common design, not a common color. So if you're interested, this is with authenticity card and with hologram intact. Let me show this one, okay? I want to show this one, okay? Let me... Okay. Where is my Dolce & Gabbana? I think it's over here. You know, holiday is coming up. Holiday is coming up. I want to show you this item. Okay, this is Dolce & Gabbana. Dolce & Gabbana for this one. Holiday is coming up. This is for parties. Okay, Dolce & Gabbana. It's there already. That's the one. Okay, Dolce & Gabbana. And you can use this one as a clutch bag. You know, this is for evening parties, evening occasion, for wedding. This is, you see how flashy is this one. And it's red velvet inside. It's red velvet. And the strap is removable. The strap is removable. The strap is removable. So you can use this one as a clutch. You can use this one as a clutch, and this is 989. This is 989. 989 regular price for this Dolce & Gabbana clutch bag. And let's see, for our flash sale, it's now 890. 890 for this Dolce & Gabbana. 890. 890 for this Dolce & Gabbana. 890 for this one. 890 for this Dolce & Gabbana as a clutch bag or as a shoulder bag. Okay, 890. 890. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then there is one item, okay. I want to show you, that's why I want to skip some items. Okay, this one, Dolce & Gabbana, okay. Now, my next one is this, the Fendi. Because, you know, the small bags, because I posted this the small bags on my video, so if you can review it on all social media, my luxury closet, I posted this one. Okay, first bag is this one. Okay, I have three different colors. But this is the more expensive out of three. Of the three items that I have, this is the one. The prices are different because it depends on the color you're buying. It depends. The prices depends on the color. For this blue, this is Fendi. So this Fendi is silver in hardware. Fendi silver in hardware. The strap is adjustable. The strap is adjustable. Okay, this is dual. This is twin. And this is Fendi double baguette. This is Fendi. It is double, one bag here and one bag on the other side. And there is, you can see here, it's velvet. It's like a suede blue. It is a suede blue inside. And this, the other one, the other side is just only Fendi Roma. The design, just only the name Fendi Roma, but on the other side you can see the design. The design is over here on the other side, and I'm not sure if Pro Max will okay, hold on. Pro Max will not gonna fit. Promax will not gonna fit on this bag. Promax will not gonna fit. Okay. And this is 999. This is 999. 999 for this one. 999. 999. 999 for this one. And now, flash sale, it's 899. 899 for this one. Fendi Roma, twin baguette. Sorry, double baguette, 899. 899 for this one. 899. 899. 899 for this Fendi double baguette. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I will gonna show you the other color. Okay, now I have the beige. Like a beige brown in color. Okay, so this is Fendi Roma on the other side and the design on the other side. Okay, and this is, oh, the other one inside is blue suede. This one, it's like a gray suede. It's gray suede inside, and this is Fendi double, stud double. Okay, and this is rank A. This is rank A in a very excellent condition, and is silver hardware. Silver hardware for this Fendi, and this is 999. 999 for this one, and let's see how much. For our flash sale, it's 899. It's now 899 for this one, for this Fendi double. 899 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 for this Fendi beige double baguette. This is Fendi double baguette, beige in color. It is 899. Okay, then I have same design, but this is for party. That the two is, you know, you can wear that for casual wear. Yeah, for casual wear, casual occasion. And this one, I think this one is for evening because of the color, silver and gold. It is silver and gold for this one, silver and gold, okay? And this is Fendi silver leather mini bag with floral, okay? Fendi silver mini bag with floral, and this is 899. You see the price on this one is lesser if you compare on the two colors. This is 899, this is 899, okay? Regular price, and the flash sale is now 809. This is now 809, 809, 809 for this one, 809, 809 for this one, 809, 809. Fendi silver leather, floral, Fendi silver leather mini bag with floral. It's 809, 809 for this one. Okay. You know, I'm gonna also show you, I have, there's another one that is the Prada, this one. If you can look at it there, so that we can do on the flash sale. So on my Whatnot viewers, you can see when you go to the Whatnot website, you can see, go under my shop, and you can see the items there. And you can message me, okay? And this one is very nice also. This is very nice. This is for casual wear. Who loves small bags. This bag will gonna fit the Promax. This one we're gonna fit the iPhone Pro Max. Okay, this is Prada, and this is black, blue. Actually, there is two shades of blue. This is tricolor. There's two shades of blue. This is Prada Saffiano. This is Prada Saffiano leather. This is Prada Saffiano leather. And you can see here, all the studs are silver. Okay, all the studs are silver, but there's a key. There's a key for this one. The key is included. The key is included for this one, and you can lock it. You can lock this one. The key is included. And let's see. Let's see. I need to flex. And you can see for this one, you can see the leather. This is in a very good condition. And there is 1, 2, and 3 pocket. And inside, the hologram is patent. The hologram is patent on this one. I cannot really open wide, but there is a hologram inside on the middle wallet. And this is a very nice condition. So this is the strap is adjustable. The strap is adjustable. You can wear this one as a sling bag. And this is for $899. $899 for this one. $899 for this one. $899. And now for a flash sale. Hold on, guys. Let's see how much we're gonna be for 30 seconds. And it will gonna be $809. It will gonna be $809 for this one. $809 for this Prada Saffiano. Prada Saffiano leather studded crossbody bag. $809. $809 for this Prada Saffiano. $809 for this Prada Saffiano. $809 for this Prada Saffiano. 98765 321. $809 for this Prada Saffiano. Can you check for this one? Okay, let me see, guys. Okay, backpack. I have wallets. Okay. Okay, the Gucci. Okay, I was gonna show you. I think I saw this one. I want to show you some wallets. And okay, let's go for some wallets. Oh, you know, on my website, there's a lot of people pin on the straps. Okay, let me find it. Okay, this one. Okay. Let me see if this is the one. It is okay. I have here anybody is looking for a strap for their LV bags. I have here. There's a lot of people pin this one on my website on whatnot. Okay, this is an LV strap. This is in a very good condition. It's still white. It's still very clean for this one. Okay, there is a minimal. I think this is from the leather. There's some a mark here. Okay, this is an LV strap. This is an LV strap, adjustable shoulder strap with gold tone hardware. This is one with a gold tone hardware, and this is only for $359. This is only for $359 for this LV Vanchetta leather adjustable shoulder strap with gold hardware. And let's see how much. Let's see. It's now $323. It's now $323 for 30 seconds. $323 for this LV strap. 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 It's still white. It's still white. Okay, $323. Okay, let's see for another straps. Okay, I see there. Okay, I have another LV. Let me see, guys, if this is the one. Okay. I have an LV monogram shoulder strap. LV monogram shoulder strap. LV monogram shoulder strap, and it is gold in hardware. It is monogram, and this is only for $375. This is rank A. This is rank A. You can see on this one. It's very clean. Okay, $375. It's clean, and this is LV monogram shoulder strap. It is $375 regular price. $375 regular price. And for our flash sale is $337.50. $337.50 for this LV monogram strap. LV monogram shoulder strap. LV monogram shoulder strap is $337.50. $337.50 for this LV monogram strap. LV monogram strap, $337.50. $337.50. $337.50 for this LV monogram strap. Okay, let me check, guys. Just hold on, because we're trying to see how much I can give you on sale. Okay, I have another LV strap. Okay, I have this LV monogram. This is adjustable. The LV, sorry, not LV monogram. This is an LV adjustable monogram canvas. This is a canvas shoulder strap. This is a canvas shoulder strap. LV canvas shoulder strap. You can see the name of the LV. It's here. LV canvas shoulder strap, and LV canvas. It is adjustable, and it is gold hardware. Gold hardware for this LV canvas strap. LV canvas strap, and it is gold hardware for this LV canvas strap. So if you have any LV bags, You want to change strap? I have 3 straps for LV. 3 straps for LV. And this is only for 359. 359. And let's see for our flash sale. Flash sale, the original is 359. Now it's 323. It's now 323 for this LV canvas strap. LV canvas strap, 323, 323. 323 for this canvas strap. LV canvas strap, 323, 323, 323. 323 for this one. And I think I have a different strap also, Prada and belt. Let me see if I can see it in my shop, in my system, so that I can show it to you. But if not, you can check my website, okay? Let me see. Okay. Next item. Okay. Okay. We already done with that one. Okay. What's this one? LV. We already done with that one. Okay. That one I have to look around. Okay. More. Okay. Okay. Okay, this belt. LV. Okay. I have a belt. I don't know if you can look for this one too. And this one is another belt. That one is graphite. So this is graphite belt. Okay, I found it, guys. Okay, this is LV graphite belt. Okay, this is an LV graphite belt. LV graphite belt for this one. LV graphite belt, and this is 35 millimeter damier graphite belt. Okay, this is graphite belt for this one. It's rank A. There is no scratches. For this one, this is LV made in Paris. And you can still see here the serial number of this belt. The serial number of this belt is here. And it is a silver hardware. And box is included. So this is a giftable. This is a giftable item. This is a giftable items. Original price is $519. $519 for this one. But I'm going to do a flash sale for this. For the graphite, it's now $467. It's now $467 for this graphite. For this graphite belt, silver hardware, graphite belt, LV. It's $467. $467 for this LV graphite belt. $467. $467. $467 for this LV graphite belt. LV graphite belt, $467. Okay. Okay, I have here the LV Monogram Canvas Duo. This is an LV Monogram Canvas Duo, and it is also giftable. This is giftable for this, you know, holidays coming up. So if you want a LV Monogram Canvas Duo. This is a Canvas Duo because there's a belt. This is giftable. There is a dust bag. And you know, there's a wallet, you know, card wallet for this one. So you can put all your credit cards here. And your earpads. You can have put your earpads also. This is a Canvas Duo because it's a belt. You can put also the wallet on the belt. Okay? So this is gonna be like this. Okay? For this one, this is rank A. And this is rank A, gold hardware for this one. This is LV Monogram Canvas Duo, and it is $799 with a box and a dust bag. $799, and flash sale is $719 for this LV belt bag duo. $719 for this LV 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 bag duo, and is $719. It is $719 for this one. Okay. This is unisex. This belt is unisex. This one is unisex. And this is giftable items. Giftable items. The whole set is giftable items. Giftable items for this one. Okay. Let me see if, because I have more belts. Probably on my next live, I will gonna show you wallets. Okay, for this one, let me see. Okay, well, let me see more items here. We're done with that one. Oh, you know, here I see this one. Okay. Oh, this is the red one. Can you see the, what color is that? Fuchsia? Can you look for the fuchsia? Can you look for the fuchsia, for the red one on that one? Where is the fuchsia? Because I have two. Oh, here. I know. Can you see the red? Okay. Okay. Bifold wallet. Okay. Okay, I have this one. YSL Kilted Black Leather Bifold Wallet. This is for men's. The bifold wallet, this is for men's. YSL bifold wallet, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slot, 8 card slot for this one. There's a lot of pockets. Okay, 1, 2, and this is Saint Laurent Paris for men's wallet for this one. And this is $499 for this men's wallet. And for our flash sale is now 449. 449 for this wallet. 449 for this wallet. Men's wallet, 449. Men's wallet, 449. 449 for this men's wallet. 449 for this men's wallet. 449 for this men's wallet. 449. 449. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're gonna show 2 more items. Okay, guys? 2 more items. We're going to do the last 2. Okay. Christian Dior black leather wallet. Let me see if this is the one. Okay. I have this Christian Dior black wallet. And this is a leather wallet. You can see the hardware, silver hardware for this one, silver hardware. Silver hardware for this. There's a lot of card slot, lots of card slot for this one. Nice leather. This is nice leather and this is 449. So, dual. Okay, one here. And this is for the coins. Okay. And this is Christian Dior. And it is 449. 449 for this Christian Dior. And our flash sale for this one is 404. 404 for this one. 404 for this Christian Dior. 404 for this Christian Dior. 404. 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 404. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me see. One more item that I can see here. Okay, I have here. This is a Christian Dior vintage wallet on chain. Christian Dior vintage wallet on chain. This is Christian Dior made in France. This is Christian Dior made in France. And this is vintage one. You have, you can do this one as a clutch and as a sling bag. It's a gold strap. This is vintage. Christian Dior, this is dark blue, but you can see CD for this one. This is dark blue. Okay? And this one is a vintage Christian Dior canvas bag. It's 439. 439 for this one. 439 for this Christian Dior. And our flash sale is now 395. This is a good deal. This is 395 Christian Dior. 395 Christian Dior. 395 Christian Dior vintage. 395. 395 Christian Dior vintage canvas. 395 Christian Dior vintage. 395. 395 for this vintage Christian Dior. Vintage Christian Dior is 395. Okay, guys. We're done for the day. So, I'll see you next time. I'm gonna post when is my next live. So, please review my video and check my website, myluxurycloset.org. On Instagram, on the website, I have different kinds of mode of payments. So I accept all major credit cards. I have a Shopify installment plan. I have Afterpay, no interest for 2 months. Afterpay and Affirm, and also I have PayPal that you can do 6 months, no interest, but you can also extend it to 1 year if you want, but it with a minimal interest. Check what my website. If you find something you like, you can message me. I'm all on the social media, so you can message me on Facebook, anywhere. You can message me there. Okay, so if you like anything, please let me know, and we can negotiate the price. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye, guys.